time's sake.
For old time's sake? Ano yun? You didn't even bother to know how I felt that time. When you were busy going out with so-and-so. And here you are telling me for old time's sake. Ikaw nakalimot sa for old time's sake na sinasabi mo ngayon. Please don't. Hindi mo kasi alam. I have invested so much time and energy sa friendship natin. Tapos iniwan mo ako ng ganun-ganun na lang.